Maganda tayo. To my channel, it's me, welcome vlog. Welcome back. Nagbabalik na. Ang inyong kamime, meron na kaming, may tag pa eh. Bibili ko lang. Kaya. Meron na kaming sopa. Dumating na yung aming sofang bag. Oo, sarap. Scotch. Ang aking scotch busy pa rin sa kanyang pagsusukat kasi kami ay naghahanap po mga kamime ng tapay ng carpet dito kasi gusto niya hanggang doon.
From the wall until here.
From the wall, that's the wall.
Yeah.
Yeah, until
Here.
Until the CD rack.
Ja, almost. Dat is 3 meter.
Mm-hmm.
And then from the wall until the end of the couch is 2 meters and 70.
I think that's in IKEA, the cloth one. And then the side is going there, square.
Yeah, if they don't have square, but if we do 3 by 2, then it will completely cover the couch, and then until here. And then it's actually kind of square also.
Yeah.
But and if you should have 250 by 250, that's even better.
It is a square, not a rectangle.
Yeah.
From here to the one where you've been in until here. I think I find that also it's not that size in IKEA.
What?
That the size from here that you're trying to size it. They don't have that size in IKEA.
No, the width is not more than 2 meters. That's the thing.
We can buy 2.
Yeah, hindi mo.
Yeah.
Should be 1 piece.
Napakamahal yung sinabi niya, mga kanini. Yung isa kasi umaabot ng 300 plus.
3 meter.
Yun.
Daar.
Sa carpet lang yun. Gusto ko kasi lagyan ng carpet to tapos yung maliit sa kanya doon. Sa kanyang office. Yeah, until the wall.
Dus dan komt hij echt tot hier.
Ja, genoeg.
Dan heb je hier dus wel dat hij uitsteekt, hè?
Ja.
Of hier hangt het vanaf. En dan moet hij echt strak onder de bank. Ja, dan moet
Ja, until boven the bank. You think if it's the verwarming it's open, they cannot burn it under?
It's a floor.
Yeah.
So that's fine.
Okay. Let's see where we're gonna find mga kamime. Hindi pa rin po kami tapos. At talagang ang aming mga kalat pa. Update ko po kayo kung ano pa mga ganap dito sa bahay at malapit na tayong matapos. At tayo nakalipat na. Dito na tayo sa Valay. Hi! Mga kamime, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your kamime vlog. Namiss nyo ba ako? Dahil ang tagal kong hindi nag-vlog. Sobrang na-busy si kamime. Look at my outfit today. I will show you the world and the universe. Tiyan. Dahil tayo ay may special occasion na atin na kasama ang aking jowa at si Nanay Dutch ay nagsa-celebrate ng kanyang birthday. So, makikigulo tayo sa birthday ni Nanay Dutch. Yun na yan. So, prepared na kami at kami pupunta na sa bahay ni Nanay Dutch pero social. Hindi sa bahay gaganapin this time. Gaganapin siya sa isang exclusive hotel. Charet. Bye-bye. So, dyan kami magsa-celebrate mga kami ng birthday ni Nanay Dutch. At kasama na namin sila. Kasama namin si Tante Nora, ang kanyang beloved sister. Mamimit natin ang kanyang iba pang family. Kasama ko si Tante Nora. Hi, Tante. Yeah. Papasok na po tayo sa hotel. Daisy.
Hier. Hij blijft wel even hier staan.
Ja.
Ja.
Dan,
Jan,
maar wie kan deze op de schouder gaan?
Kom nou.
hij gaat hier
Faster.
staan.
Tjoep.
Nou kan het. Hij
Oh
gaat
my
de auto hier zetten. Oh,
Ja. Yes, boss.
bos. Dit is ideaal.
Happy birthday, Kim
Happy
Felicity.
birthday
to you. To you. Yes. A birthday girl celebrant.
Ja.
And welcome.
Yeah, welcome.
Show Top Gear.
That's for you.
Ja, nou.
And also this. Hello.
Yeah, me donkey.
Yeah. We go now inside for the celebration of Nanay Dutch birthday. What can you say about your mother? It's a birthday, 80th birthday.
Wow. She didn't change for years and I wanted to keep it for many years. I love it.
Wow, this is that's more Vanderrock. Na kami sa loob. Oh, di ba? Meron tayong Kinderen Place, Children's Station. Kaso maghintay pa kami ng more than 10 minutes kasi inaayos pa yung camera kung saan. Ko sa kanila kasi walang upuan doon. Nandun sila sa dulo. Family sila, Day. Nandun din ang jowa. Ang ganda ng place. Malaki. Waiting kami sa ano magbukas yung Zaw. It all you can daw sabi ni Nanay Dutch. Ay, may nagpasok. Yeah, okay na. Bukas na. Let's go. Yan, nagtayuan sila, oh. Let's go. Ah, this is your Zal. Oh. You can go now here. Lounge. We can sit here, Scott. That's nice. Po ang buffet. Yeah, dessert area. 5 o'clock start, yeah? Okay, where's the live cooking? Ah, Asian. Oh wow. In Brooklyn. Ah, Daisy. But this is Asian. Asian Walk. Wow. Ooh. Appetizer.
Tapas.
Yeah, appetizer.
Wow. Look at us.
Oh, this is salad. Salad. Ah, may rice cut.
Dit is de, hoe heet dat? Pokkebol.
Ah, yeah, you're right. Wow. You want this later? One?
Ja, ik wil echt beginnen met soep straks, denk ik.
Where's the soup? Diyos ko, ginalugod namin muna bago ang... Ah, Daisy Oak. Oh, sorry, ha? Oh, jeez. A butler.
Vol oud vent heb je ook.
Waar? Kijk deze. But this is a cold. This is cold. Ah, this is a sushi. Hi.
Sushi erbij.
Yeah.
Sushi plus.
Toilet.
Sushi
Where
maar
is the
lekker.
soup?
Hier.
Ah, yeah.
Die kan je zo hebben.
You can choose now. Dito kami sa lounge ng aking jowa at hindi tayo kasama sa sa loob dahil meron silang hindi pagkakaintindihan ng kanyang kapatid. Ganun talaga, respeto para sa ikabubuti ng lahat. At hindi ko alam kung ano po yun at huwag nang inatanong. Kaya hanggang ngayon hindi ko pa rin siya nakikilala o namimit. Baka mamaya mamit ko siya. Diba? Let's see. Kaya naghintay na lang kami. Yung pinasok natin, doon tayo kukuha ng pagkain. At kukuha ko lang yung aking jowa ng pagkain. Dalawa lang kami dito. Yung kaninang pinakita kong room, doon magre-receive si Nanay Dutch ng kanyang mga bisita. Siguro after 2 hours or 3 hours. Alam nyo, ang maganda dito, it's only 55 euro.
Ja, Saturday's 55. 55 euro.
Pag Saturday, 55 at 5 hours.
5 hours, drinks, food.
Drinks,
Unlimited.
food, and unlimited. At meron pa siyang live cooking. Kaya,
En een nice.
dito ang toilet. This the toilet is here.
Ja, dan staat daar ook nog. Ja.
Okay. Good. Okay, andito na kami at meron na akong food. Ako
I think we
kumuha.
are dating.
Yes.
And she give me so much food.
Meron kami. Unang plate pa lang yan. Marami pa yan sa sunod. Cheers.
Cheers, ouwe.
What's this? This is
Seaweed
with
Some lekker.
ba? Yung pinakita ko kayo sa inyo.
Je weet het gewoon in kimchi, maar de green stuff in de sushi.
This one pa. We just share each other's sashimi. Potato.
Ja.
At least makakablog tayo. Pagkasama natin sila, hindi tayo makablog.
Een zware salade.
With the ham.
Yum, yum.
Kijk. Imagine niyo yung potato salad, ganun siya.
He died, and after that we go to the beach.
Ah, okay.
I think you were there as well.
Yes, this is the second round. Meron akong sushi. Kumuha ulit ako ng, syempre, mahal ang ano dito, ang hipon.
Ooh, lekker.
This is grilled zucchini.
Wow.
They get it?
Mm.
Or you
Yeah,
put it? And meron ako smoked salmon and whitefish and a little bit of dito na kami magsalab. Okay, kain mo na kami. Let's try the smoked salmon. Ito siya mga kamime. Malakas siya kanina. Tingnan nyo sa video, balikan nyo. Yan siya. Try natin. Kung anong lasa niya. Filet na siya, filet. Ah,
Sarap.
my God. You don't taste the fishy.
Wow.
At not salty. My God.
Nou, gaat ook best wel gelijk
The
op.
always that I buy with,
Oh, wow.
I told you.
Nou, dat is goed, zo.
Ang sarap. Sarap ng smoked salmon. Grabe. Ibang level. With the view of train. Third round, only this one is a walk. May walk nga doon, di ba? Balikan nyo ng aking video para makita nyo. Di ba? Ito ay ang black beans ang kanyang sauce. Ito ang pinili ko. Of course, with the shrimp.
Oh, let's go
And
for
tofu.
shrimp.
Overload shrimp. Ang dami meat doon. You want meat also?
Nee, ik wil allemaal nog seafood voor ook.
Later,
Later the meat.
the grilled. Sarap.
Gat.
Punta na si Nanay Dutch dito at sinabing pwede na kami pumasok. Umuwi na kasi yung kapatid ng jowa. Meron kasi silang hidwaan. Kaya pala hindi ko namimit ang kapatid niya. Meron kasing kapatid ng jowa. Babae. Meron silang hidwaan ng aking jowa. Na until ngayon, hindi pa nahihilom. Childhood trauma. Childhood, I don't know what they... Naiyak ako. Nabahig ako. Ganun talaga. Respeto na lang. Para dun sa kapatid. Request na yon 2 hours. Then she will go. So, yun. Kaya, pwede na kami pumasok. Hindi ko lang jowa at ako ay magto-toilet din at iihe at magre-retouch. At tayo ay magmi-meet and greet na tayo. Kaso naku, hindi ko alam kung mga video ko. Sisingit tayo ng video. Charot.